How to delete Roblox account without support. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, we'll explore the possibility of deleting our Roblox account without assistance. So is it possible? Let's discuss. Ordinarily, to officially delete your Roblox account, you must interact with the customer support and complete a designated form. However, we can achieve this independently by navigating to the account settings. Upon inspection, we find that none of the available options accounting for security, privacy, or anything, billing, parental controls, and app permissions provide a pathway for the account deletion. Currently, according to the official Pro Support article of Roblox, the only method to request a deletion is contacting the Roblox support and submitting a request form. Therefore, as of now, it is not possible to delete your account without reaching out to the support. So the intention of this presentation is not to spread misinformation, but to inform individuals that deleting the account without support is not viable. So if you found this presentation helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.